eastern Kentucky, Betsy Lane. I'm between Prestonsburg and Pikeville, Kentucky, if you are familiar with those places. And I'll let you introduce yourself.
Thank you. My name is Tia Woods. I'm lucky enough to get to play with this talented lady and sing Happy for her. Thanks for having us.
And we are also, we have our own band also. We're called the Pink Ladies. And this song that I'm going to do is an original. It's called Don't Lie. I just recorded it a couple months ago, and it's on all platforms, Spotify, Pandora, you name it. It's out there everywhere. And back home it made #1 for, I'd say, over a month or so. So a lot of people seem to like it. I hope you guys enjoy it. It's called Don't Lie. He came home, was a little past 10. He swore he'd never do me this way again. I can smell the perfume strong. He swore he never did no wrong. But I looked him in the eye and said, don't lie. You don't love me anymore. Then why you keeping me here for? I can tell it in your eyes. You're just letting time pass by. You act like it's a game, and it will never be the same. Just look me in the eye. Everyone's please don't lie. We pass by well, every once in a while, between the carpet and the tile. We're just strangers under this roof, and I don't know what to do. We may share the same bed, but you would rather be with her instead. So I looked him in the eye and said, don't lie, you don't love me. Why are you keeping me here for? I can tell it in your eyes. You're just letting time pass by. You act like it's a game, and it will never be the same. Just look me in the eyes. Everyone's please don't lie. He came home, was a little thirsty, and swore he'd never do me this way again. I can smell the perfume strong, swore he never did no wrong. But I looked him in the eye, but all he did was lie. Thank you.